Thank you for checking out 3D Products. I'm Donald Williams. In this segment, we're going to show you Orange Degreaser as the all-purpose cleaner. It's actually one of the best products available to use it in multiple steps. It's very good for the interior fabrics, carpets, and plastics. And we're going to show you how to use that and take the benefits of this product diluted at 10-to-1.
Orange Degreaser by 3D is a great all-around natural cleaner. It has D-limonenes in it, so it leaves a nice smell and it looks nice on your upholstery. Clean your carpets, your headliners, plastics, your cup holders, your dash, your seat belts. It doesn't leave your carpets crunchy like some other cleaning products do. They leave it nice. You can scrub it with a brush and then clean it with microfiber towel. You can clean your dash. You can clean all the plastics, places where you get candy smudges and gooey stuff on your seats. Clean it up, and it doesn't leave a lot of moisture and wet marks on your seats. It's excellent on plastics. Orange Degreaser is great to have around the house to clean up on the stove. You can use different dilution ratios for different types of jobs with Orange Degreaser. It's also powerful enough to clean your engine, wheels, and tires.
Thanks for checking us out on 3D Products and taking the time to learn a little bit about Orange Degreaser. Please subscribe to the link below and share us on Facebook. Have a nice day.